Hey there, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to Investing in Germany. And today I want to talk about the new product being launched by the Trade Republic, where it pays us a 2% interest on those unused cash that are lying in our trading account. So, this is quite an interesting product to start with because in the last decade or so, we were mostly into the zero interest rate environment and we were never got used to having an interest rate paid for the unused money lying in a bank account. So this is my Trade Republic account, what you have here. So if I open the Trade Republic, I can see a banner where it says a 2% earning interest. So this is the marketing campaign by the Trade Republic. If I click onto that, then you see the summary. So in short, this is a 2% per annum interest rate on the uninvested cash that is in your trading account or in your cash account. The payment is done monthly, so you will receive the interest credited to your account on the first working day of each month. So this is really, really interesting. So the money that is available in the cash account is not gone anywhere. So it stays there for the investor to invest or pay out anytime they want. So this is not something like a fixed deposit or so where you cannot have an access to this money quite easily. So here everything works normal if you are used to investing with Trade Republic or any other broker within the Germany. So this 2% is limited only to the 50,000 euros. So maximum that you can earn with this offer is the 1,000 euros. That is quite a good chunk of money if you look at it at the absolute terms. But of course, having a relative term with the stock market performance, 2% is not that much. If you are an existing customer, then you will have to agree to a terms and conditions, which will again pop up in your app. And then once you agree, then you are good to go with the compounding of 2% of that cash that you have in your trading account. And if you are new to Trade Republic and if you're going to start a new account in the next weeks or months, then you don't have to do anything else because the parent terms and condition document should also include these terms and conditions here. The most important catch here is that the Trade Republic reserves the right to change this interest rate based on the ECB's financial politics. So after pulling in maybe required amount of target customers, they might even go to back to zero without doing anything. But we don't know what is going to happen. So this is something for us to keep in mind. So what is important for us to know when you going into for this type of option is that the Trade Republic is a broker. So they do not have a banking license or they are not a bank. So the question is my money safe? It's a fair question because considering the amount of money people lost recently with the FTX saga, where the FTX used or misused the money deposited by the customers and then all the money is lost. So it's a fair question to ask, is the money safe in my bank account or the cash account within the Trade Republic, considering that the Trade Republic is not a bank? So this 2% interest rate is not coming from Trade Republic. That's a surprise. So it's coming from the bank with which the Trade Republic is working with. So every trading account has a bank working in the back end, and here for Trade Republic they work with Solaris Bank, Deutsche Bank and Citibank, and the customers will be linked to one of their bank accounts. So in my case, I have my bank account with the Solaris Bank, so the trading account is working with the Solaris Bank for my case. It may be different for you and for others, so keep that in mind. All these banks with which the Trade Republic are working with or within the European Union. So the Solaris Bank and the Deutsche Banks are registered within the Germany, and the Citibank is registered in Ireland. In summary, all of them are in European Union, which means that they have this Einlagersicherung or this where 100,000 euros so is insured. So 100,000 euros is always insured for the European banks. So what you have to know is that if the bank goes bankrupt tomorrow, up to 100,000 euros is there for you, and then anything above 100,000 euros is gone in poof. And finally, let's ask ourselves why they are doing this. Of course, there is no free lunch in this whole world, so there is something that's brewing behind us which we should really dig into deep so that we understand why we are doing this before something bad happens to us. So first of all, it's very simple. The cost of capital for the banks are really going up due to the European Central Bank's decision to increase the interest rate to combat the inflation. So the free money era is completely gone. It's behind us. At the moment, the interest rate set by the European Central Bank is at 2.5% in January 2023. And there is an expectation that by the middle of this year, the interest rate would reach around 3.5%, and then the interest rate could peak at around 4%. So therefore, the banks can make really easy, handsome money just by using our unused amount lying in our bank and just park it at the ECB or the European Central Bank. and now they can earn money. And the second question is, why is Trade Republic doing this? This is also very simple. This is a marketing strategy. Now we have too many newer brokers available in the market who are offering almost the same products with a different twist. For example, myself, I have an account with the Scalable Capital as well as in Trade Republic, but then I moved from Trade Republic to Scalable Capital because they offered a flat rate trading account, which was much more cost effective for me based on my requirements and needs. So I moved from Trade Republic. Now with the 2% interest, they are trying to poach me in, maybe, or poach you guys who all moved to Scalable Capital or something different. So this is a good significant amount of money which we can earn from the emergency fund that we might have in our account. So this is something a good to have for us, right? In addition to this, I believe the Trade Republic is also slowly playing or pinching our behavioral economics. So if the money is in the depot, then many indisciplined investors could be motivated to take the money and start investing because it is just a click away before you invest in anything within the Trade Republic because the money is there. In other case, if the money is in the bank, then bringing the money from the bank to the account and then placing an order takes at least 2 to 3 days. So the behavioral economics here is playing a bigger role because there is 100% chance that we will be motivated or we will have itchy fingers to go and place that buy order because the money is there and the market appears to be juicy, but then it is not juicy. So we have to really be careful here. And I'm sure that there will be a lot of people falling into this trap and making a lot of orders because for Trade Republic, if you make order, they make money and it's really good for them. So we have to be careful here. So the question why you need to answer this, the Trade Republic has a good motivation here to make you trade much more other than providing a very cheap 99 cents or €1 offer for buying and selling. Now they are offering you much more incentive to trade with them. So be careful there. And from my point of view, I think it's very safe instrument here, considering that €100,000 is safe for us. So I think if you're planning to put in money up to €100,000 just for the sake of getting this 2%, you can do it. But then 2% is very, very less compared to the inflation that we have and also the opportunities that you have within the stock market or the bond market. So just parking here as a sort of an investment is not something that you should consider. Of course, this is not a recommendation or something. I'm just trying to speak out what I'm planning to do. And I don't intend to park the money here just for this capital gain, but I might put the money here or those emergency fund up to 100,000. I don't have 100,000, of course. So yeah, this is what it is. If you would like to open a Trade Republic account, I have added a link to the description. So you can click to the description and then you can create an account. Of course, if you open an account through my link, then I get some money. It will help the channel, of course. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.